Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are gonna show you guys Margaritaville, the shops and the restaurants, and we're gonna have dinner over here at Studio Movie Grill. So I'm gonna take you guys around, show you what's down here. Not everything is open, though. If you've ever driven on 192 and seen Margaritaville, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, you should definitely check it out because there's some decent restaurants that are in here. So let's go take a walk. At the end, and if you continue down this way you will hit the Margaritaville Resort, which is right back there. To the right is Studio Movie Grill, and back there is the Yalman's British restaurant. I have not ate there yet, so if you guys would like to see a dining review, let us know and we will go check it out. This place is gonna be a pizza joint called Capone's. They're still under construction, just like everything else here is still under construction. Alright guys, so another restaurant that's here is Ford's Garage, which I believe was started because of Edison Ford's winter home, and they opened their first location in, I believe, Fort Myers, where we're from. It's kind of like a bistro bar type atmosphere. It's very chill, very laid back. They usually have a lot of beers on tap, a lot of different appetizers. They specialize in burgers. I like this restaurant. It's not too bad. I haven't eaten at this particular location, but I've eaten at a few other of the Ford's garages, and I like it. So you guys should definitely check it out. And again, if you guys want to see a dining review at this place, let me know. Alright guys, so here's another location coming soon. I'm gonna try and talk over the music that's playing, but it looks like it's going to be like a pet supply treat store. So yeah. So as you guys can see, like, there's still a lot that's still under construction. But if you look down towards this way, there's a couple of shops. There's the Skechers store, there's a wine and alcohol store, and then all the way over there in the corner is the BurgerFi. It's just your typical like cheeseburger place. Pretty much all that there is as far as like shops go. There's not a whole lot of shops yet. There's still a lot of places that I think haven't been leased yet. Alright, so it looks like there's like a big stage out here. Obviously, like I said, still a lot under construction. Alright, so another restaurant that's down here is Bento, and honestly, I absolutely love Bento. It's kind of like an Asian, Chinese flair fusion restaurant. They do make sushi. They make like some different like chicken bowls. They have a lot of different sauces. Maybe I'll do another dining review. If you guys want to see what Bento has to offer, like leave a comment and I will definitely do that. Okay, so one of the really cool things that they do down here in Margaritaville is they broadcast the SiriusXM Margaritaville channel from this location. It used to be at the Universal Orlando Resort in Margaritaville there, but they moved it over here, so it's pretty cool. This is the actual radio station. Doesn't look like anybody's in there right now, but you can come down here and you can see them broadcast whenever anybody's in there. So this location is going to be Game Time, and if you don't know what Game Time is, it's like a Dave & Buster's. Actually, I'm pretty sure it's just like a Dave & Buster's. They have games, they have food, and you can win prizes, and just a place to go hang out. No definitive day when this actually is gonna open up though. Alright guys, so one thing to keep in mind if you do come down here is if you want to be right next to some of these shops, there is only street parking like this. Behind it is a very big parking lot, so you do have to walk a little bit, but if you want to be up close, there's street parking. So I'm going to tell you guys about It's Sugar. If you've ever been to like Myrtle Beach, I think the outlets have it, and a few other like touristy places. Basically they sell giant boxes of candy and different sweet stuff, and it's basically It's Sugar. Alright guys, so now for the real reason why you tagged along. We're gonna go eat and see a movie at Studio Movie Grill. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to film because I'm pretty sure it's frowned upon to tape things while in a movie, but I'm going to try and tape what I can. So let's do this. So when you come in, if you pre-purchase your ticket, you can pick up your tickets like we did, or you can log in, or you can just pick your movie and it will print off your ticket right there. Like a lounge area that you guys can hang out in. It's pretty interesting. Alright guys, so here's a good look at the menu. They do offer a 2 for $29 that includes a appetizer, 2 entrees, and a dessert. When you're looking at the menu, think Chili's, Applebee's, more your laid back American kind of food. They do have cheeseburgers, pizzas, chicken tenders, and then just standard popcorn, soda, mixed drinks. Alcohol is also available, which actually is really neat. Seats are recliners, so this should be interesting. We're down on this end. We are seat 10 and 11. Okay, so when you're ready to order food, you push this button right here, and then this down here is how you control the seats. I know it's hard to see, but there's controls down here. So I'm going to check out the menu and we're going to order some food. Okay guys, so here is a good look at the nachos. The salsa was like jarred salsa. The cheese was just your typical canned cheese. Gary got a Blue Moon, and then I got a mixed punch drink with some alcohol. It was very strong, but very good. I got the coconut chicken tenders and shrimp, and Gary got a flatbread meat pizza. Overall, the food was actually pretty tasty. Like I said, comparable to an Applebee's or Chili's. So here's a few tips if you are planning on going to Studio Movie Grill. Number one, I would say don't go to a newly released movie, a fairly popular movie. I would go to one that's been out for a few weeks. Our experience when we've gone to Studio Movie Grill for new releases like The Lion King, it was packed. Service was questionable. They had a lot of people and not a lot of servers. So try and go to a night where it's not so busy. I highly suggest the chicken tenders and shrimp, one of my favorites when I go there. However, you can just order a soda, you can just order a milkshake, you could just order dessert, but the food is comparable to, say, an Applebee's or a Chili's. They do offer $5 movie Tuesdays, so on Tuesday you can get in for $5 versus their standard $12, so keep that in mind. All of the seats are recliner seats. They're super comfortable. I enjoy like sitting back and watching a movie, and it's nice not to feel like somebody's going to take your armrest or, you know, somebody's behind you kicking your seat. That is definitely one of the pluses of going to Studio Movie Grill. The food can be a little expensive for the two of us, ordering alcohol, entrees, and appetizers. I believe the total cost was somewhere around $120. Not crazy if you're looking at it compared to what you spend at Disney, but it can be a pricey night out. So keep that in mind if you guys are going. However, I do highly recommend this place. It's located off 192 in the Margaritaville shopping plaza. There's a Target, a Ross, an Ulta. It's behind Rock and Brews. It's not hard to miss. Just look for Sunset Walk off of 192. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And like I said earlier, if there's anywhere you guys want to see a dining review, let us know in the comments below, and we'd be happy to do it. So until the next video, guys, see you later.